is never really permanent, but damn it hurts, man. I could feel all of the turbulence and it's concerning. I've been searching for a purpose, I hope it's worth it. This society is really trying me. Ain't no hide and seek, I hide to be far from anxiety. I need my space, I need my privacy. I need some silence, please, you're all too loud. You don't speak quietly, opinions violently thrown across every surface. It makes me nervous. Is the world honestly burning? That's all I'm learning. Hope that we can make a turn and start reversing all our minds and put the work in. We got
Well, hello, everyone. You are welcome back again on the BETONG's Crypto. What a year! Flashback 2024. Oh boy, I want us to look at how this past year, like tomorrow, is gonna be past. 2024 is gonna be history. I want us to look at what has happened. So we're gonna basically look at top performance cryptocurrency in 2024. We're gonna look at market trends and their implications in the market. We're gonna learn key lessons for better trading and investing. We're gonna also look at some predictions for 2025. From tomorrow, like midnight today, midnight trading time, we are gonna be in 2025, and we're gonna say goodbye to 2024. So yeah, guys, I mean, we have had an amazing year so far. I mean, it wasn't easy, but I'm gonna share with you guys my experience this year in crypto investing, trading, what I've learned, what you guys should take advantage of, and what you guys should be looking at if say you really want to make it this game. There's so much going on in the space that if say you caught up, you're gonna miss a lot of opportunities. Yeah, so we're gonna discuss that. But let's first of all, welcome all of you who have been here with me for like ever. You guys are awesome. You have been the backbone of this platform. I come here every now and then because of you guys. So I should thank you for believing in my content, for coming back, getting value, and appreciating what I do here. I mean, it means a lot to me to come here and share my knowledge or my experiences with you guys. I'm all about educating people out there to have or to be exposed to this opportunity. So that's who I am, and that's what I have been longing to achieve long time ago. Like to always do something that's gonna help someone out there, and I find myself doing it in crypto. I've been doing this like I've been creating content like since 20 since I think 2018. Yeah, like long time ago. Creating content like consistently. I think since 2017, yeah, but I've evolved from one content to another one, doing this or that. It has been amazing so far, but the past few years has been like different, because I stumbled on something that that made change in my life. I saw change in my life. I saw change in the way I perceived my finances. I saw changes in the way I perceive investment, money, all of this stuff that we talk about here. I mean, it was like a game changer to me. That opportunity that I have been looking for all my life, finally I came across something that I believe strongly, take me to where I want to future. I want, to be completely free, like financially free. When I wake up, I don't want to think of ever walking again. But I'm not yet dead. I'm still that journey. I'm still building. I'm gonna get there. And I think 2025 is gonna be that year to for me to get that breakthrough that I've been looking for. And I want to take you guys alongside with me on what I've learned about these years. I want us to apply it in the market. Excuse. I want us to apply it in the market so we can make some crazy gains together. So yeah, nothing really serious for today's show. I'm just focusing on the experiences that I've had in the past. So let's just go a little bit to check. which coins have been doing well this year. But mostly, guys, we have had meme coin have dominated this period. AI as well being the top performing cryptocurrencies. So we're gonna look at the yearly time frame on crypto bubbles to see which coins have really done well this year and which coins might do well 2025. And again, there's so much we're gonna discuss here today. I just want you guys to stay here with me, ask questions. You say you can ask as many as you can. There's so much to learn from all of this. I believe that we have a long way to go in the space still. Crypto is still young. We still have adoption to cater for, and I believe so those of you who really want to take this to the next level, you're gonna see result. Yeah, trust me. You will see result. And the way I trade, the way I invest, I am that guy who will gonna see result. Know that I'm gonna see result, and you're gonna see result. So don't feel as if you are in a place where you won't see result. All of us are gonna see result, and we're gonna make money in this space, no doubt. Together, that's the goal, by the way, to make money in this space together. So just comment below your thoughts, your experiences, also some questions that you have. You want to ask some questions, comment below as well. And I'm going to do my possible best to respond to those questions. Yeah, I'm going to share with you guys again some experiences that I had and what you guys should be looking at and so on and so forth. All right, guys, let's dive into this. By the way, let's get to crypto bubbles. So, this is the top. Let's go to the yearly time frame. It's easy for me to use crypto bubbles. We can look at coins that have been doing well this year. Pepe for this year alone, for the past 12 months is up 600%. That's 6x. Floki is up 127%. That's more than 1x. Yasmi is up let's say 119%. Wave is up 357%. Sweet is up 143%. BGB is up this much 386%. Omo is like has done so well this year. HBAR, Sway, WBT, Doge has been doing well as well. We go to the top 200 coins in the space. Mark has done well this year. Popcard has done well. Tubo has done well. Chess, IOSR has done well. Tele IOS has done well. Pendle, Dex has done well. The bubbles in red are the ones that haven't done well. And guys, I'm pairing this against Bitcoin. If you say you are new on this platform, Bitcoin is my unit of account. I trade any altcoins out there looking at what Bitcoin is doing. So if say the altcoin can outperform Bitcoin, I trade that altcoin to make more Bitcoin. And I'm gonna give you guys some coins that I think might blow, soon. So stay tuned to the end of the show. But Tubo also has done well. SPX have done 4,000. Guys, XPX is one of those coins that I think you should pay attention to because I see Morax. I don't know, this guy on X is fully behind this coin and he has a huge following. And there's so much I've learned recently that has that's gonna change my perspective in so many other coins in the future. Not that before my perspective was bad, but I was more conservative, like more trying to be safe. But recently I came to realize I stumbled on an information that I think makes sense. So I'm gonna share with you guys today as well. So these are the coins that has done well. Looking at the top 200 coins in the space, and if we look at the top 300 coins in the space, you're gonna see that Zano, Cow, Po, Son, Fluid, Fa, ACA, People, XYO. These coins have done well this year against Bitcoin. The rest hasn't done well against Bitcoin. So if say you are holding either of these coins or like you have been holding these coins since January of this year, you would have been better off holding Bitcoin. Yes, I mean, I don't think most of you are holding these coins that have done well recently. I think most of you are holding coins that haven't really done well this year. right? Because we haven't really had that altcoin season this year. So we are still getting there, right? We are seeing some altcoins breaking structure, and yeah, which is really awesome to see. So let's continue with this. Let's see which other altcoins have been doing well, guys. The reason why I'm actually showing you this altcoins is because the altcoins that have done well this year are going to be the same altcoins that are going to do well next year against Bitcoin. So pay attention. You can just mark them, their names and all stuff. If say you are looking for something to invest in, these altcoins that have done well, so well this year, gonna be the same altcoins that are gonna do well next year. Okay, so Velo, this is a new coin which was launched, and it's up 142%. ABT is up, Chims is up, NPC. So these coins that you see in blue on the top 300 coins have done well against Bitcoin. Looking at the top 500 coins, you can see the ones that have done well against Bitcoin. The rest, Bitcoin has have eaten all of their liquidity. Guys, you can do this right up to the top 1,000 coins. To see which coins have been doing well against Bitcoin. Miro even did well against Bitcoin this year. You can see Migo. So if you held Migo alone this year, you should be up 19%, against Bitcoins. That's pretty awesome. And but this is against Bitcoin. But if you look at, most of you might have made money, some money, but we have made more money holding Bitcoin. So if we just take this unit of account and put it to USD, you're gonna see most yeah, green, 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 green. We go to the top 100 coins, you're gonna see green, 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 almost everywhere. Green, green. You see, green, green, almost everywhere. So you would have been doing still well still this year, holding some of these coins, but you wouldn't have made that more Bitcoin, right? You'd have made more USDT, but not more Bitcoin. So I mean, I'm gonna discuss more about this in today's video. So we understand what it means to make more Bitcoin and what it means to make more USD. Like if you would have been holding Bitcoin, you'd have outperformed USDT more and made more Bitcoin. And if see you'd have been holding these coins this year, of course you'd have outperformed USDT, but you wouldn't have made more Bitcoin, right? Does that make sense? Something like that makes sense, because the price of Bitcoin is huge, and Bitcoin moves the market. And if Bitcoin is not doing well, like now we're seeing some altcoins not doing well because of what Bitcoin is doing. So it's really important you understand how to go about this, particularly looking at crypto bubbles. It will help you a lot to build your portfolio in a way that you're going to be making more Bitcoin always. Guys, the idea here is to make more Bitcoin at all time. If you're not able to make more Bitcoin at all time, it's going to be difficult for you to move to the next level. Now, let's discuss some of the you know challenges that most of you or most of us face in this space. I always say this, and I'm going to keep saying this to you guys. Cryptocurrency is here to stay. Bitcoin is the alpha. Bitcoin is a new asset class, or the crypto is a new asset class which is getting more adoption. The market cap is only 3 trillion, and when we look at the entire market cap in the world in terms of financial products, we have, I think, over 900 billion, no trillion, sorry, trillion in yeah, trillion in cap their asset class in the world. And Bitcoin taking this liquidity gradually or gently. Now we are seeing Bitcoin, like not Bitcoin, but the entire crypto space, getting more adoption, more attraction to mainstream media. Governments are looking at it. Big institutions are looking at it. Billionaires, like retail investors, are looking at it. So it's getting traction, it's getting momentum. Many people are reaching out to me. They want to invest in crypto. They want to buy Bitcoin. They want to buy this. They want to do that. They want me to advise them on what to do, how to go about it. And I think the reason why most of us or most of you are making money in currency now is because you don't have a defined strategy to make money in this space. You just go in the space and you buy coins without understanding why you're buying these coins. You get involved in project without knowing what the project is all about. You don't understand nothing about TA. You don't understand nothing about fundamentals. You just take else words for it, saying that this coin is a good coin. You're gonna go to let's say 10,000, 20,000, 40,000. So you buy it, thinking maybe this guy is right. You're gonna make some money from it, and before you realize yourself, are losing, um, yeah, you're losing money every now and then. You know, so I really want you guys to understand that cryptocurrency is not any rush, right? The coins you're buying, look at yourself like now, saying to yourself, okay, now you are this old. The next 5 years, you want to invest in these coins or you want to trade these coins, and you want to have a strategy that will help you to trade, invest in this coin, and make more Bitcoin. Okay, and if say you are able to do that, then you find yourself gradually accumulating Bitcoin, trading altcoins, and make more Bitcoin. So, guys, I'm gonna be back a little bit. Just give me 1 minute. I'm gonna be back. Uh, Sorry. Yeah. So, um, like most of you, like when you are exposed to any coin, you just go and you buy it without understanding what it is. You need to do research, trust me. You need to understand TA to look at price action, what price has done in the past, what price might do in the future. You know, I made this mistake in the past and it cost me more than $50,000, for my capital. It was so bad. I felt so bad, and it, I almost say to myself, is this actually the right space? But at one point, I knew that I was the one who messed things up. I was like, my mindset in the space was just to get rich quick. I was, maybe if I put this much money, I'm gonna make so much money. Like I saw my portfolio, like I was up during the previous bull market, and wow, I was like, now I'm rich, But at one point, I saw my portfolio going down, 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 and I keep telling myself, oh, it's not coming again back to where I bought it. It's not coming back to where, like, this amount, trace to this amount, and I didn't understand that the whales were dumping on me. I just held like that, thinking that's it. I would have known better to sell, cash out some profit, but I wasn't looking more at profit. I was so much in love in project. I fell in love for a scam that most influencers were saying to me back then. That okay, hold this coin, 100x, 1000x, do this. So I felt for that, and that's something that I look back now and I say to myself, if say I would have been buying just Bitcoin alone, playing this game, I would have become a crypto millionaire already this all season. So, but it's not still. Excuse, guys, excuse. I have a little bit of cough, but it wouldn't be. It's not too late to say I'm not gonna become a crypto millionaire again, right? I would not again. I don't. It's not as if I've been before, but I was almost going there, But at one point, I got this setback, invested in project that most of them are dead right now, and after going through all of this, it made me to embark on education. I told myself that I want to make all of this money, 100x, 1000x, through all my existence on Earth, like as long as I'm alive. I want to make as much as I can, and I can do this only after I must have educated myself. So I focus on education. I educated myself, throughout the bear market, learning, going taking some courses, watching YouTube videos, be part of some communities, like I've been doing this full time, learning, building my psychology, putting myself in a position that I I became confident, or I'm gonna be confident enough to look at the market and place that buy order, place that sell order, take profit order. So what I'm basically trying to say to you guys is, if say you are a beginner in this space, you are still struggling, like you're not making money, you should look at the ask yourself that, do you actually know what you're doing? You actually know why you're buying that coin? Have you been buying this coin and holding because of someone else's theory about that coin, or do you actually understand that coin yourself? This is important because, guys, no, it's just like going to somewhere without knowing or having a map. You don't know where you're going to. Someone just told you can just go there and you're gonna see the just going there, not knowing whether, like, if say the place is black, it's green, it's that, and when you get there, what you're gonna do, how you're gonna return back to your home, you don't know. So what I'm trying to help you is to build a map, have a map, follow that map, and you also have a way to come back, like to sell at a loss when the market goes against you. So it's easy to buy, right? And you see your portfolio, pumping. You're like, okay, you're making money. You think it's not good up forever, up forever. No, it's not like that. It goes up and it's gonna go down as well. So if you understand how the market moves, and yeah, it's gonna help you make a lot of profits during this up and down movement of the market. I love crypto because crypto gives me mindset to like to think calmly, to shift out the noise on crypto X or crypto Twitter. There's so many noise there. So many people have their own theory. But what I've learned recently, not recently, like throughout this year, is that the charts are the main fundamentals. Well, let me say the charts are the main fundamentals. The chart actually explain what the fundamental is, or how investors perceive the fundamentals of that coin. Now, let's take this a little bit backward. If say a project is so good, right, so good, it's gonna reflect on the chart, that coin, right? But if say, like most people always say, this coin is undervalued. Okay, yeah, I agree with that. That there are coins that are undervalued. But again, if a coin is undervalued for so much long time in the crypto space, let's say more than 1 year, 2 years, the coin is not really doing well. You are always in loss. They pump and dumping on you. So why should you be in that project? The investors or the whales who are investing in that coin use it as a casino for retail investors. So you don't have to be in such coin. You want to be in a coin that make you money long term. Now let me give you guys an example of a coin that it's a good coin, but it has been pumping and dumping on investors. And I talk about this coin every now and then. Let me go to this coin right now so you can see clearly which coin I'm talking about. I know most of you are gonna figure out which coin this is, but let me just bring this chart on so you can see clearly um what I'm trying to say. So this coin is Baby Doge coin. It was launched and helped so many people make money, but it was dumped back on most retail investors. Okay, now this is the chart of Baby Doge coin on the weekly time frame. So this is the weekly time frame chart. I just want us to be there. Let me zoom out a little bit so we can see. Now, it was launched back then in 2021. It pumped, went up, it dumped, they dumped it back on retail investors. It pumped, they dumped it back. So those who were dumping it or were pumping and dumping it were those who actually held so much of this coin. Yeah. So these guys who bought it, yeah, you know, they're the ones dumping it. So you can see you won't have this information in most chat. So this you can have this only on desk screener and on one of few chat. You can even see this on let's say coin market cap. Let's see if say we can be no, let's just stay on this one. But these guys who bought here are the ones who are selling above, making profit for a year, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, until they decided to, hold at this point in time. So why am I showing you guys this? I'm showing you guys this because I want you to understand that there are people who get in every project early. They call them um, VCs or early investors, right? And they get in, they hold most of the tokens. If say we go to, no, I don't want to go there right now, but I wanted to show you guys on BSC scan. But let me just go there. You can even see it here. Okay, you can see this clearly here. We have almost 2 million holders for Baby Dogecoin. But if we have 2 million holders for this coin, it should be among the top coins in the space, right? But it's not doing anywhere. Meaning those who actually are buying it, like the retail investors who are buying it or who are holding it, maybe they have just a little bit in their wallet, like $10, $20, $30, maybe not much in their wallet. And the ones who have more or who actually move the market are the ones who are below this level that I drew. They're the ones that are making most of their profit, pumping it, dumping it, pumping it, and dumping it. Now, let me show you guys a different chart so you can see the difference between the coin which is being pumped and dumped and the coin which is being, which is okay. Now let's go to the chart of Bitcoin. you know so this is Bitcoin. Let me just get to this chart right now. By the way, Bitcoin is doing well today. Let's stay on the let's stay on this time frame. So this is a weekly time frame, and you see. So now I want to believe that this was back then in 2019, but Bitcoin chart it dates back. Let me just go to this. So it's gonna be more easier looking at it on CoinMarketCap, so we can look at previous price history to help us understand what is going on. And yeah, so oh, I don't know why it's taking time to load. Okay, so this is Bitcoin. Let's get to the all time to get the data. So you see, Bitcoin, it pumped, it retraced at key level, it pumped again, it retraced at key level, pump, retraced at key level. Now you see it going up, 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 making higher highs. I can bring another chart here for you. Let's say Ethereum. Let me bring Ethereum or Solana. Yeah, any one of them, I think is good. Let's see, Ethereum. You're gonna see the same pattern. Ethereum. It was launched. It pumped, went up, retraced. But it wasn't. Price wasn't playing that the game that its price is doing with Baby Dogecoin. Okay, and these are just some few examples that I want to show you guys. And it doesn't mean that the coin is bad. No, you can see it pumped, it retraced back, it pumped again, it retraced back. So these guys who were cashing out profit, were the guys that actually who held below, yeah, and they were cashing out profit above price. Okay, but they maintain market structure each time price goes up. Like yeah, you can see yeah with Dogecoin, the structure they maintain is back where price has been, yeah, for like over the years. So let's say you came in as a new person, you bought this coin, back then in 2020, let's say in 2021, you know, you would have been still like down if say you didn't cash out profit. Yeah, yeah, yeah. So basically what I'm trying to say to you guys is it's not all about buying the coin. It's all about you cashing out some profit when it's time to cash out profit. You know, don't just buy coins because you want to buy it. You buy it because you want to make money when you buy it. So it's easy for some people to actually say, okay, this is doing that or this is doing this, but they don't actually understand what it takes to be successful in the space. And I know what it takes. I know that like guys, it's not easy. Trust me, it's not easy. It's not easy. Anyone who tells you it's easy to invest or to trade cryptocurrency, it's not easy because it's so volatile at times that you can be caught up, and you see the opportunity there, you like say to yourself, maybe right now you're losing money, or right now you're making money, you want to make more of the money. You're like, oh, if say price get to the, if say this coin cancel 5 zeros, make this amount of money. Guys, it doesn't work like that. So much that you need to take into consideration before you invest. And most of you invest as if like this is the last year for crypto. You just want to make money like that, and so on and so forth. So these are just the lessons, the advice, that I think you can learn in the space going forward 2025. And now talking about 2025, I think we are gonna have one of the most amazing season this 2025. From tomorrow, Sweden time, we are going to be looking at mass adoption. Trump, which is the US elect president, is going to be in office for the next 4 years, and most of his cabinets are pro crypto. Now, you're asking yourself, like, how is this important? This is important because it's going to lead to mass adoption. Now, US is the biggest market in the world, biggest market in the world. And if say they manage to get regulation right, and billionaires, institutions get Bitcoin on the balance sheet or crypto on the balance sheet, this is gonna be a game changer for all the altcoins out there. Now, you hear many people saying that Bitcoin can get to 1 million, which is possible, right? And imagine that Bitcoin can get to $1 million. What about Ethereum? What about Solana? What about other altcoins out there? And this takes me now to this mistake that I think most of you. Now, I'm gonna go to DeFi Lima. I want to show you guys something here quickly before we continue with what my hold for 2025. I want to show you guys something here really quick. Now, this is DeFi. Like almost all coins you see in the space come from DeFi. We have like the few centralized platform, right? Okay, is there not many of them? Yeah, you're gonna hear people say this coin is more centralized, but it's more of DeFi extent. And these coins are being launched on blockchain, or they run on a blockchain, right? We have Ethereum, Solana, Tron, Bitcoin, BSC, Base, Arbitrum, Hyper, Liquid, Sway, Avalanche, Aptos, Polygon, Core, Optimism, Pulse Chain. These are the top blockchains as of now in the space. And most of the coins you see out there are launched from these blockchains: Ethereum, Solana, Tron. The top coins mostly came from it: Solana, Ethereum, Bitcoin, BSC, Base, Arbitrum. This project are being launched. Now, you have to understand that there are coins and there are tokens. Coins and tokens are different. Now, there are coins that are layer one coins, and there are coins that are layer two coins. Okay. Now, layer two coins could be a token on a layer one blockchain. Okay. So a layer two project can build a project, like, can build a blockchain on a layer one, to help that layer one become fast. Like most layer two blockchain that are running on on Ethereum. I think something like Optimism should be running on Ethereum, something like that. Arbitrum, I don't think so. Yeah, Arbitrum is also running on Ethereum. Base is running on Ethereum. So these are all layer two blockchain solution. And most of their native currency, like what they use to transact, like pay gas fee, even though most of you might use Arbitrum, but it's more Ethereum, because they are like processing most of their transaction in Ethereum. That's why you see Ethereum being the largest blockchain in the world. So if you understand what a token is, what a crypto or a coin is, then you'll be able to understand which project can last for the next 10 years. Like Ethereum will gonna be here for the next 10 years. Solana will be here for the next 10 years. Tron will be here for the next 10 years. Bitcoin will be here. You can see these are the top blockchains, meaning these blockchains are being used by people to transact in the crypto space. Okay. So if you are investing in that, you want to buy, let's say, a meme coin on Solana, you should be looking at making more Solana trading this meme coin. If you say you want to buy a coin on the BSC chain, then you should be holding mostly BNB, making more BNB. So when you make profit, you sell into BNB. And the same with other chains. So this is one goal for you, like one thing you need to pay attention to, like going forward to this year. Now, the next thing you should need to pay attention to is, I don't care like how much you have lost and how much you think what you have lost in the market. What I do care is this: if say you don't educate yourself, you don't equip yourself with the knowledge you need, then your 2025 is gonna be dead as well. You have the first 3 months to educate yourself. We have until this year, next year, I think, before maybe something really bad gonna happen. But again, you want to take advantage of everything cryptocurrency, ev- everything. Educate yourself, put yourself out there, learn how you can make money investing in altcoins, looking at Bitcoin. Now, Bitcoin is the soul, like the alpha. Bitcoin, Ethereum, they move the market. And if say Bitcoin moves the market, then you analyzing the market, looking at Bitcoin will help you know when an altcoin or the altcoin market is going to reverse towards the proper direction that's going to make you money. And when you hear the bulls, the bears, these are people who make money with currency. They just have different way of describing who they are, or the action that they perform in the market. The bulls are more up, green candles. The bears are more down, red candles. The bears make money when they short the market. The bulls make money. The market is pumping. So, but those who are investors, they're not into trading, so that's different. Investors, buy project and hold it next 5 years, 2 years, but it's just like the way it is. Those who actually buy, hold, believe in something, they are the ones who have made most money in the space. But those who trade more, like they don't make that much money and they miss out on so many opportunities. But they are okay, they are cool, and most of them have learned right now that they can make profit and invest in Bitcoin. So this takes me now to this aspect of that I think you should pay attention. Now, you should be able to have like a Bitcoin investment wallet and a Bitcoin trading wallet. So you can trade Bitcoin spot, invest in Bitcoin spot. Okay. And at the same time, like if say you are investing in any coin, let's say you have a time horizon to hold maybe those coin for the next 3 months, the next 6 months, or the all of this year, you can say to yourself that okay, you're gonna have a Dogecoin investment wallet and a Dogecoin trading wallet. So if say you have just $500 and you wanna put about $200 in baby Dogecoin, you can say okay, maybe you wanna put $100 there, and then the rest is gonna go to your trading wallet, and it's gonna be only spot trading. So you buy baby Dogecoin when it's low, you sell when it's. I have a whole education for that. And say you are interested to take my education, feel free. I offer one-on-one session from tomorrow. It's gonna cost $500 for 3 months. That 3 months, I'm gonna teach you everything TA, fundamentals, learn strategies that will help you be successful in this space. I've been doing this for a long time now, and it's working for me. And I think it's gonna work for you if say you take it seriously. I don't see any reason why you have like $500 right now and you just go and buy. No. And again, you must not take my education, one on one. You can join my VIP. My VIP, you get my buy and sell signal whenever I'm buying any coin, taking out profit. Get the signal of the links I found in this video. Go there and connect with me. By the way, if you're not part of my free Telegram group, the links are found in this video. Make sure you join my free Telegram group. Now, the reason why you should do this is, you know, you're gonna be looking at your main investment to make money from your trading. So you have a time frame, like you are looking at the market on the weekly time frame. Looking at what might happen for the week, right? And but if you're looking at the weekly time frame, you actually what you're seeing is what might happen the next 3 5 months. And looking at this might help you to, have a perspective of where the market is going, and you believe in that. You hold strong to that. So you buy it at this amount. Whenever you make profit from your trading amount, your trading account, you buy, you reinvest it to your investment account. The same with Bitcoin. And when you see that the market is gonna be, you can hold Bitcoin, and Bitcoin can give you go ahead to buy, because at times your coin might not be doing well, but Bitcoin is doing well. But if Bitcoin is not doing well, like not doing well, your coin is gonna drop as well. Trust me, that's what I've experienced in the space, and I think this could be of help to you. Like going forward, this can really be a game changer in your investment. Yeah, so I don't know how long I've been going. I've been live. I've just been talking, flowing. I don't even know. I cannot see how long I've been live, but it's been an amazing conversation so far. And I want to believe you guys have been learning. You have been getting some value from it. Those of you who have been watching, I want to believe you have gotten some value, um, like some at least some value from all of this. Now, excuse. Now, talking about predictions, this 2025, I was talking about um the US being the largest market in the space. Trump pro crypto, his cabinet pro crypto. The US is trying to put Bitcoin on the balance sheet, like part of the foreign reserve or national reserve. I don't know how they call it. And yeah, I mean, in overall, they are bullish, and we're gonna see regulations in United States that is gonna attract crypto founders or crypto businesses to build, like people who just want to build businesses in the crypto space. And if we see more crypto businesses, this is gonna onboard more people. So we're gonna see more coins launch, more awesome project. We haven't seen anything yet, and if say you apply the things that I teach every now and then, you are always gonna be ahead of the curve to build that investment portfolio that always, most at times you're gonna be making money. And if say you don't make money, it won't be that like you're actually gonna blow your portfolio. You're gonna be maybe everyone is not making money because of health conditions. So it's gonna not be your fault. That's what I want to say. Okay, it's gonna be the market's fault. Like the market is gonna be doing what the market is doing. So with this information, if say we see US lit crypto, wanna see more countries, um Russia Putin is pro crypto. Watched a video that Putin praised crypto. We have seen that the Middle East, Asia are like are huge in cryptocurrency. Africa is huge. Nigeria, particularly Nigeria, is the top of meme coins. So there's so much going on right now that I think if say you don't educate yourself properly, you won't be able to catch the trend moving forward. So you have to like understand that this 2024 is 2024 was just building, like the past previous years was just building, but this coming year 2025 will be that year that we see real capital come on board. We've seen BlackRock, Michael Saylor, making billions of dollars from this market. So there's so much that these guys have been building like behind the scene that most of you are not seeing. Maybe you are looking more, you are focusing more on your coins, on stuff that you're buying, but you look at the fundamentals. When I talk about fundamentals, these are the kind of stuff I want to see, I want to hear. And when I'm seeing this, when I'm hearing this, it gives me hope that we are gonna make it big time this 2025. So that's my say for today, my explanation for today, my experiences this 2024. I want to believe you have learned something so far. Go and apply what you have learned. It's very important. If you have some questions, comment below what you think, what are your experience, what you have learned. You've been with me all this while. What did you learn? Have I been have I been a positive force in your investment journey, all of this, just let me know at the comment section. If say I've helped you somehow, if my content has been helpful to you. Also tell me, like, comment below what kind of content you want me to be creating for you guys, so you can gain more knowledge in the space. Having said all this good stuff, guys, see you next video. Have a nice day. Ciao. Bye.